This is where to find your battery on your XKR Convertible. Not the most straightforward in the world. So I'll remove the tonneau cover first. Stops you overloading it when you're putting the roof down. Take that out. You've got 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lift that out. Hey presto, 1 battery. Give you some idea. That's where it's located. If you need to jump start it, there is a negative contact on the floor to the right of the spare wheel. Just there, that's your negative contact, and your positive contact is behind that grill, down there on the floor. That's how you jump start it. That's where your battery is. Okay, hope this helps. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.